In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to add new tokens and new ecosystems to your MetaMask wallet. So let's start with new tokens first. Once you're logged into your MetaMask, you need to make sure that you are on the Tokens tab. Now, luckily, this is the default option, but all you have to do is make sure that it is highlighted or clicked on. So now that we've clicked on it, we've made sure that we're on the Tokens tab. We're going to go down to Import Tokens. After I click Import Tokens, you can try to search for the token that you're looking for. Say I'm going to be looking for IMX or Immutable X. I can scroll around and see that it might be actually a little bit hard to find. So instead of doing this option, I can go over to either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and search for the token that I'm looking for. So again, in this example, I'm looking for Immutable X or IMX for short. And now that I'm on this page on CoinMarketCap, I'm going to scroll down to the contract address. I can see that this is an Ethereum contract address, which is good because we're using MetaMask, which is mainly focused on Ethereum-based tokens. And I can also see that it's compatible here with MetaMask. Now, you can click the little MetaMask icon to do a quick add, or if you want to do this in the more traditional way, we can click Copy to Clipboard. After we've done this, we can see at the top of my screen that it says that it has been copied. And then I'm going to go back to MetaMask, and then I'm going to go from searching for a token after the import process to the custom token. Now that I'm on the custom token tab, I'm going to make sure that I am in this first box called Token Contract Address. I'm going to paste that contract address that we got from either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko a second ago. And now it's going to tell me, hey, this is the IMX token, this is the token decimals, yada, yada. Number one, you want to make sure first and foremost that this is the token that you're looking for. So again, we were looking for IMX, which is Immutable X. We put in the token contract address and it tells us that this is IMX, which is good. So now I can go ahead and click on Next. It's going to say, hey, this is going to be the IMX token. Do you want to import this? I'm going to say yes. And then it's going to add it to my MetaMask. Now, again, you can do this for just about any cryptocurrency that is out there, but if you want to go ahead and import an ecosystem next, it's going to be a different process. So instead of going to the import token option, I'm going to go to this Ethereum mainnet option in the top left-hand corner of my MetaMask. After I click on this, I'm going to see that there are testnets and there's other networks that I can add. So if it's not showing up right here, I need to go to Add Network. After I go to Add Network, there are a bunch of options. So if you're trying to use or import one of the very popular options like Arbitrum, Aurora, Avalanche, BNB, Polygon, these are all going to be really simple because all we need to do is go ahead and click Add. So say I want to add Arbitrum, for example. I'm going to click Add, I'm going to click Approve, and now it's available. So I can go back up here, and all of a sudden, if I want to switch to Arbitrum, it's a click of a button, and I'm there. If I want to go back to the Ethereum mainnet, then I can do that as well. But what about something that is a little bit more tough, something that we might have to search for, like Base, for example? Well, for something like Base, CoinGecko actually has a lot of tutorials for stuff like this. So we'll cut the bulk of the content and make it as simple as possible for all of you. All you have to do is go back to the Ethereum mainnet button. We're going to add a new network, but instead of using one that is already provided, we are going to go all the way to the bottom here and click Add a New Network manually. After we do this, it's going to ask for some basic information. Now, luckily, in the CoinGecko and even in a lot of other tutorials, they will provide us exactly what we need to know. So if we're adding Base for this example, then what we can do is go to this. We can click Copy on Base, paste it in the network name. We're going to copy the URL, and we're going to paste this exactly in the URL section. We are going to paste the chain ID in the chain ID section right here. Make sure that there's no spaces. We're going to go over to the currency symbol, and then we're going to go and paste that right here. And then for the Block Explorer URL, we can go ahead and copy this one as well. So now that we've done this, we can go ahead and click Save. And then it's going to say that this network has been added successfully. So if you're looking to add a new network or a new ecosystem, this is one of the easiest ways to do this. And we can see that now if I go up to the select the network option, Base is going to be here for us. So whether you're looking to add a very mainstream network or even a new network, or maybe a mainstream cryptocurrency or a newer cryptocurrency, you can switch between all these different cryptos, add them all to your wallet alongside the networks as well.